The Drinfrared Heater Portable Space Heater, original 1500-watt in cherry, is designed to efficiently warm large rooms. Manufactured by the Infrared Heater brand. It features a dual heating system combining an infrared quartz tube with opt element. This innovation delivers 60 more heat than comparable models rated at approximately 5,202, ensuring rapid and consistent warmth. This portable heater operates on 1500 watts and uses 12.5 amps, equipped with an electronic thermostat adjustable between 50 to 85 degrees. It includes an auto energy saving mode with high and low settings, a 12-hour automatic shut-off timer, and safety features such as tip-over and overheat protection. The unit is designed for quiet operation at 39, aided by a high-pressure, low-noise blower. Additional conveniences include a 72-inch power cord, caster wheels for mobility, and a lifetime filter. Ideal for anyone needing reliable heat in medium to large spaces. This heater offers safety, quiet performance, and energy efficiency. Its ease of use and mobility make it a practical choice for home or office environments.